In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow access in Google Drive. We'll walk through step by step how to share your files or folders with other people, how to control what they can do with those files, and how to fix common access issues you might run into. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click so that no one ever has to message you again saying, "I can't open the file." First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, find the file or folder you want to share. This can be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even an entire folder of files. When you've found it, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Share and click on that. A sharing window will pop up. At the top, you'll see a box where you can add people or groups. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to allow access to. As you add each person, look to the right of their name. You'll see a drop-down that usually says Editor, Viewer, or Commenter. Choose Viewer if you only want them to look at the file, Commenter if you want them to leave comments but not edit, and Editor if you're comfortable with them making changes. Below that, you may see a section labeled General Access, or something similar. This controls link sharing. If it's set to restricted, only the specific people you added can open the file. If you change it to something like anyone with the link, then anyone who has the link can access it, depending on the permission you choose. Viewer, commenter, or editor. Use this carefully, especially for sensitive documents. For most situations, anyone with the link as a viewer is enough if you're sharing widely, but still want to protect the content. Once you've set the correct people and permission levels, you can add a short message if you like. Then click Send. Google Drive will email them a link and they'll be able to open the file with the access you just set. If someone tells you they still can't open it, go back to the file, open the share window again, and double-check their email address and permission level. Also confirm whether the link is restricted or open to anyone with the link. Adjust as needed, click Save or Done, and have them try again. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps each time you share, and you'll always stay in control of who can view, comment on, or edit your Google Drive files.